I love to see the transformation of a student from year one until they graduate.
When I first came here, I was kind of scared to show my creative side in the culinary world. But now I'm proud of my work and I like giving my ideas and my input.
Our industry requires technical skills, but the role of the community college is to provide them with the foundation of the skill set that we will need in the industry for us to be able to do our business.
The campus here is friendly.
There's always programs and activities you can take part in.
There's lots of things happening on campus with the Student Association. There's fundraisers.
There's definitely a strong tie between the campus and the community.
The classroom environment's very fun.
Everybody helps out. It's just like your home.
There's people of all ages here.
I think it draws, a really diverse group of people together.
You get ideas from every age. Like you can get experience from somebody that was a farmer for 30 years, and you get somebody out of high school that knows everything about a computer. This course is like a base to start you off to your career.
They really care about you here.
Our learning is accompanied with hands-on work.
I see the change in the way they see things in their communities, the skill set that they leave with, and their future.
There's so many opportunities with this program. It's hard to pinpoint exactly where I'll go and what I'll be doing, but I'm sure I'll be very successful in whatever it is that I do.
The campus here is giving me all the opportunity I need to pursue everything I want.